Okay, today we're going to be graphing trig functions, and we're going to start with the y equals 4 sine of x. We've already graphed the apparent graph of the sine function, so we kind of know what that looks like. And we remember that the parent graph of the sine function always rises through the origin. This one has no vertical or horizontal shifts. Amplitude is 4. The b here is 1, so period equals 2 pi over b. Period is just 2 pi. So this one will rise through the origin just like its parent graph. It also is going to have zeros at pi and 2 pi, and over here at negative pi and negative 2 pi. Okay. The interesting thing here is as I go with my angle between 0 and pi, 0 and pi is halfway around the circle. That's the top half of the semicircle. Pi to 2 pi is the bottom half of the semicircle. And my special angles just happen to be 1/6, 1/4, and 1/3 of the way around the semicircle. Okay, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3. Okay, and halfway, my halfway points are going to be where I have my max, which in this case sine is equal to 1. Sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. When I multiply it by 4, I get 4. And my minimum will be negative 4, 2, 4, 6. Minimum here, 2, 4, 6. Maximum here. Okay? So, here's a quarter of the way around the circle. Here's the semicircle. My special angles are going to be 1/6, 1/4, and 1/3 of the way around the semicircle. Likewise here, here, and here. Here, here, and here, etc. Okay, the cool part is sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So if I just measure in 1/6 of the way around this semicircle, then I know that sine will equal 1/2. My function is going to have half the height of my maximum. So at pi over 6, I'm at half of the height. Here at this pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6, I'm at half the height. Here I'm at half the height. Here I've got half of the height. Likewise over here, half the height, half of the height. Oops, wrong spot there. Half the height, half the height. Let's erase this extra one there. Okay. A quarter of the way in, I'm always at my pi over 4 angle. That's square root of 2 over 2, which is 0.707. That's roughly here. Oops, there. Here, 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 and here. And a third of the way in around my semicircle, I'm going to get the pi over 3 angle. Sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2, which we remember is 0.866. Right about there, right about there, 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 there. I'm using symmetry to go all the way around the circle and plug in all the values. And very quickly now I have figured out what my graph looks like, and I can just fill in the actual graph. Okay?